So how many, the number of people that you're working with? They say a certain class has 42 boys. Total number of people that you're working with, they're how many? They're 42. So the people who are usually be inside the rectangle, all of them inside the rectangle, remember, rectangle is your total outcome. The total number of people that you're working with, they're 42. But now what do you have? You have event A, which is hockey. Not hockey only, hockey. You have event B, which is soccer. And then you have those who don't play anything. We have what? We have 7. And then they say, fortunately for us, they told us there's an unknown number of players who plays both hockey and what and soccer. So they want to know how many are those people who plays. Calculate the value of people who plays both hockey and what and soccer. How do I get the people who plays both soccer and hockey? I am going to tell them which this thing is simple. I should add this one with this one, with this one, with this one. They're supposed to give me what? 42. What's special then? You simply tell them which I have 27 plus, oh, it's 27 minus x. 27 minus x plus x plus 32 minus x plus 7. This is going to give us what? 42. And then if you know your little bit of math, you can see there's an x which is positive, there's an x which is what? Which is negative. And then with these two people are going to cancel each other out. And other things that are like times is 27, you add it with 32, you add it with 7. It gives you something like 66, yes. Which is positive. It jumps to go to the other side, it says minus x is going to be equal to 42 minus 66. And then we divide by minus, because you don't want minus x, you want x. We divide by minus x. Oh, minus 1. Minus 1. It says which x is going to be equal to 1, 24. And we come and update and tell them this is 24, yes. 27 minus 4. What is going to be 27 minus 4? We have 3 people. We have 3 people. And then from the onwards, we are going to tell them which we have 8. So we have 3, we have 24, and then we have what? We have 8. Plus 7. If you say 7 plus 8 plus 24, they should give us what? 42. Those are the total number of people that we are working with. Then from here onwards, they're asking us the following question. If a boy from the class is chosen at random, calculate the probability. Now it's probability. It's going to be all over the sample space. Does not play hockey or soccer. How many people don't play soccer or hockey? Do not play soccer or hockey. So you have 7 all over. What is our sample space? What do you get as your answer?
1 over 6.
It's 1 all over 1 all over 6. Play soccer only. How many play soccer only?
8.
People who play soccer only, there are how many? There are 8 all over 42. What is 8 all over 42?
4 all over 21.
4 all over 1 all over 21. And then we can do this one now.